Every species on Earth has an invisible wall around it, a barrier built over millions of years of evolution that keeps different species from blending together. But sometimes, whether through human interference or nature's own twists, that wall comes down. What's left behind are animals that look and behave like a collision between two separate worlds. Today we're looking at some of the most surprising hybrid animals ever recorded. The liger. When a male lion breeds with a female tiger, you get the liger, the largest cat species on the planet, capable of reaching 11 feet in length and over 900 pounds. That's because the genes that normally stop growth don't function properly in their bodies. Lions and tigers split into separate species roughly 2 million years ago, so their genetic blueprints don't line up cleanly. Male ligers are almost always sterile, and many suffer from heart problems and neurological issues. That massive size might look impressive, but it's really a sign the body isn't developing the way it should. The Zorse. A horse with a zebra and you get a Zorse. Horses carry 64 chromosomes, while zebras have anywhere from 32 to 46 depending on the species. That mismatch means Zorses are always sterile. They usually end up with a horse's build but zebra stripes across parts of the body, and they inherit the zebra's stubbornness and skittish temperament, which makes them extremely difficult to tame or ride. The Wolphin. Only a handful of Wolphins have ever existed. They're the offspring of a false killer whale and a bottlenose dolphin, two animals from entirely different genera. What's remarkable is that the first Wolphin, born in Hawaii in 1985, later gave birth to her own calf. That means this cross-genus hybrid was actually fertile, something that's incredibly rare in the animal kingdom. Coywolves and Grolar bears. In the eastern United States aren't pure coyotes anymore. Wolf and dog genes have mixed into their bloodline, creating the Coywolf. These hybrids are larger, have stronger jaws, and are far less afraid of people. Meanwhile, as climate change shrinks Arctic sea ice, polar bears and grizzly bears are increasingly sharing territory, producing Grolar bears or Pisleys that carry a blend of traits from both species. Unlike most hybrids on this list, these aren't happening in a lab, they're spreading in the wild right now. The Cama and the Narluga. A lab in Dubai, scientists used artificial insemination to cross a camel with a llama, producing the Cama, an animal that could never have occurred naturally, since the two species are separated by roughly 30 million years of evolution and an entire ocean. And in Greenland, a strange skull sat unidentified in a museum for decades until DNA testing in 2019 revealed it belonged to a Narluga, a hybrid of a narwhal and a beluga whale, proof that a cross nobody expected had been quietly hiding in a collection the whole time. These animals are a reminder that no matter how strong evolution's boundaries seem, life occasionally finds a way around them, sometimes with human help and sometimes on its own. If you enjoyed learning about these strange creatures, subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.